For the election of the Scotland will be the of Nigeria.
High tension in Nigeria as per Adebanjo tells certain and middle belt leaders to prepare for war because the Kaba want another northerner to succeed Buhari. The elder statesman per Adebanjo has warned that the Kaba are plotting another northerner to succeed Muhammad Buhari, and hence Satan must all be prepared for the war. The Southern and Middle Belt Leader Forum earlier endorsed the president candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, for the forthcoming 2023 general election, saying Nigeria's survival depends on him. Speaking at the forum meeting on Thursday in Abuja, the leader of the Pan-Yoruba Social Cultural Group, Afenifere, Pa Ayo Adebanjo, said electing the Labour Party candidate will show that Nigeria values ethnic and religion. Adebanjo said, "The battle is on. We are in a war and our opponents are not sleeping at all. They are underestimated us in the past, but they are now seeing the stuff we are made of now. They are making all sorts of devices to ensure that power remains in the particular part of the country. That's why they are not even supporting the candidate of their own party. You are fighting for your freedom. Do not joke with your freedom. Do not be deceived. They are not going to organize any election. We are fighting to get out of slavery and bondage. They want another northerner to succeed President Muhammad Buhari. How they want it, I do not know, but we must all be prepared." Pa Adebanjo said, "Have it at the back of your mind that Obi must be declared president, or anything contrary to this, we shall all forget about Nigeria."
This is ODUA TV Watch. My name remains Oluwabukunmi Festus, and don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share, so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.